How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video of shaded content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today we are going over this time-lapse video of how our graphic designer, Marianne, the amazing Marianne, the unbelievable Marianne, how she was able to take a regular Nike-inspired Valentine's Day logo and turn it into an embroidery image. So, of course, you do not know, we make full color transfers, but we also have a brand new department, and that department is called Flash Graphics. So even if you do not print with us and you do not need a product from us, we can still handle all of your graphic design needs. So please contact us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, and just in the title of the email, just put Flash Graphics or I need some type of graphic design. So this right here, this is just a small little quick video just to show you the extent of what we can do. As you see Marianne going here and erasing all the little fine details that make the image look, that could make the image look a little fuzzy when printed and stuff like that. So as you see, she took that image, which was a regular 2D image, and turned it into an embroidered looking image. So now out of this, you can make small patches, and we actually have a pre-made gang sheet of this image, and it's gonna come with, I think, about 10-inch images, and then also small little left chest hits so that you guys can make beautiful merch with this specific exclusive image. You may see this image in other places, but they're gonna require you to purchase it. We are actually gonna sell the gang sheet. It's gonna be already pre-made for you, so you guys will just be able to go in there and knock it out. So remember, if you have any graphic design needs, or you need to, you need to remove a background, you need to vector an image, or you need to, oh, can you change this color? Or, hey, I took a picture of this and I took a picture of my kid's volleyball game and I would like that printed on a shirt, but I would like to remove the background, and maybe you can put like a sky, and we want to make it look like that they're floating in the sky. We can do all of that. So remember, just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com.